Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kasankar Dev College mentaga sngi ka pratrik unai tung 8,000 arpuar kalapenlong ya ka jingpelat pajba ya ka film lingkot lani ka documentary kabakila ai kerteng Meghalaya's journey, visions, achievements and challenges bat ka jingya lenti ya ka jingyo ya ka jalawa pura. Hagani ka sngi uba Tito Starwell Khan uba Deiru Chief Executive Member ka KHADC ulalong kumukongsan haringkat ka jingya dan lang jong ba polling do MDC Jayaw kakong Patricia Mukhem bat ka principal jong kate ka college kakong Eureka Lingdo bat kiway. Haba ay jingkren hagani ka sngi nakalyang uba Tito Starwell Khan ulanyon ya kamat hagabay day bat ka jinglong jingman jong ka jilla hagisnam gibanwan. Ula ongru baga jilla Meghalaya kadi ka jilla ka papertam hagathan cha tay lamingi. Shosho ula ong baga jingya denti ya ka jingyo ya ka jilla papura kadonru ya ka jingkit khali hagabay day ka jingpene ya ka jinglong tanrai bat kumjuru ka jingem hagani ka job paminta. Ula benrap ru da ka baong ba usngong komen ba kum ka jilla ka ba usa kalala ban job ya ki jing e ba day na kini jing e bangilala banya cha kaman.
On glimpses on political developments in Meghalaya. And this book will be inducted into our
occasion about the status of the Mauglu Sierra Cement Limited. I used to say, and I have given one statement, that as a government, if we cannot run even only one industry, how we will run the state? That is my question. I feel very bad about this factory, especially because it belongs in my constituency. Now people are facing problem. Employees are not getting the salary, and it affects the economy of the area also. So I would like to thank about the regarding to Compat for raising this issue. So with these few words, I don't have much time to speak also because I have another appointment. So I would like also to clarify here regarding the name of this locality. Actually, from the district council, we have issued a notification that this particular locality, which we call Bisnapur, has been renamed as Long Shatsni. So I hope that everybody. But what is our stand from the district council in this issue? We have no bar for the women to participate in the Durbar. Most of the Durbar, they have that women organization when we say Senglong Kumi. And even in the executive committee of Durbar Shillong, most of the Durbar Shillong, especially in Shillong, the women are participated as the executive member of the executive committee of the Durbar Shillong. Recently, from the Autonomous District Council, we have passed one bill, which we call the Village Development Council Bill. In this bill, we have give space to the women in the village, and it is mandatory according to this bill that we should have a reservation for the women so that they can take part for the development of that particular village. So at no case there will be no any bar for the women.
A written constitution. However, since it has served thousands and thousands of people, we are willing to look at this case. Now, if a political party does not have a written statement of a vision that this is what we want to do, this is where we want to go, these are the things we will do when we achieve statehood, these are our priorities, then where do we know where we have to go? No wonder in 1988 when Mr. P.A. Sangma came in as the Chief Minister, he was appalled that we didn't have a policy for anything. No policy at all. Without a policy statement, how do we evaluate ourselves?